proceed to our entourage, starting with our officiating minister, Pastor Joselito G. Ambio.
Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin.
Acknowledging the parents of our groom, Angelo Antonio and Herbalita Antonio, that will be represented by Mr. and Mrs. Evangeline Castillo.